Today I'm going to show you guys the grind. I know these look like tech deck ramps, but they're not. Well, they were made for it, but I made them for the foot trick. Because I put bike stickers on there and everything. I got this one. I just put like those stickers and everything. These came with the Ryan checklist that I got. I found as many ramps as I can. Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to Smith grind. Smith grinding is pretty much back peg on the rail, front tire, like on the platform. So it will come up like this. And then like this. Yeah, it's a pretty fun trick. Let's just like bang. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed it. I guess I will be filming